Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Korean translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To start, easily insert the Korean text into the chat. However, here's the ingenious part. Initiate your request with "Translate this in English." Then, with a simple tap of the Enter key, the enhancement is revealed. Instantly, Google Bard skillfully unveils the English translation, shedding light on the enigma within the Korean words. Yet, the exploration of language doesn't conclude here. Should curiosity compel you to seek the Korean translation of an English phrase, the process maintains its delightful consistency. Just as before, preface your inquiry with "Translate this in Korean" before inputting the desired English text. Observe as Google Bard adroitly responds, effortlessly generating the corresponding Korean translation. While its capabilities are undeniably impressive, it is important to note that the tool's accuracy may vary, especially in intricate contexts or nuanced language. For moments of utmost importance, seeking a second review is always a prudent step. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.